Hi everyone, this is Jalak and today we are going to paint a tulip in a really loose simple watercolor style. So grab your paints and let's get started. Pick your favorite watercolor, 300 GSM watercolor paper and rounded brush. I'm using Camlin watercolors and today I have picked two colors I absolutely love. Crimson Lake, a beautiful vibrant pink red and the perfect warm yellow. And for the leaves, honestly, any green works. Pick your favorite. And yeah, start with the C stroke that you can see. The simple C stroke. Just look like an egg shape. Just press of the middle of your brush and repeating the tulip. If you need the links, I can add in description below, so you can grab yours. And again I've added some bright red to give the beautiful tulips around the bunch of tulips we are painting right now. And there is no need to hurry. Be calm. And for me, painting is a meditation, to be very honest. And I'm aiming for the same for you. I'm painting for the people who really need to relax themselves, because art is a therapy, especially in my opinion. And I'm adding a warm yellow tulip to filling the space around the other tulips. You can choose your favorite color. There is no need to be paint with the same color that I am right now doing. There is a no perfect definition of painting. Just pick your brush and let it go. And for the green, I chose a vibrant green and I've added some black on it to give the darker shade of green, and adding the branches of tulip to give that effect. Just having fun and trusting the process. Notice how I'm not overthinking the placement. Even I'm not adding outline or perfect shadows. This is about creating joy, not pressure. I hope as you are painting with me, you are feeling that calmness too. And for the leaves, just press it from the center and let it go. Yeah. And I'm using number 2 brush. It is from the local stationery, it's not a branded one. It's all about you, how you create your painting. Of course, that's good quality matter a lot, but every time it is not needed. It's just how you paint, how you feel, and come up with on the paper. It's your desire to do your color flowing, correct? So whenever you see some kind of space in between the tulips, just add the leaves. That gives you a proper bunch of flowers. There is no need to be perfect, no need to be hurry, no need to be think this is too much, or I'm not going to do, or this is not perfect. It should not be your aim. It should be just go with the flow. Do not think how it's going to be. It will definitely end it up with a very good art from your end. Do not compare with the other artist as well, because every artist have their individual artistic style, and here I'm aiming to teach you no one is perfect in life, no one is perfect as an artist. Added the bright color that gives a proper tulip shape. This is the beauty of watercolor. First we have added the first layer of the color light pink and then added the brighter shade, and at the end you will see how it will reflect. You can add or paint any kind of flower by using this method. I especially love to do that. Nowadays I have started the 100 tiny days painting. I have created my playlist, you can check it out, you can learn from that. If you have any query, want to learn a depth in a watercolor, you can comment or reach out to an Instagram. I'll definitely try my best to reach out each and everyone and sort it out the queries and want to learn about the watercolor. And of course, let me know in the comments what next flowers you want to see, you want to learn. I'll make a series for that. Of course, if you want to be in a parts, like if you want to learn just to start from the leaves, how to paint leaves, how to paint the proper things, branches, to add some loose flowers, I would love to make for you all. Yeah, so just go with the flow, add your own creativity, and do not forget to tag me if you create or recreate the same things that I am painting. You can buy my original mini art decor and my original bookmark that I have created. Check it out, I have added the link below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for the very good and calming videos. And check it out my Instagram handle where I have posted a various different kind of my artwork.